When placing an order for a retainer, you're just going to click on the shopping cart. And this is where you're going to choose the bundle that you want to purchase. So if I choose a 4 retainer bundle, I'm going to choose Select and click Next. Now you're going to choose the retainers you wish to order, keeping in mind that this is just 2 out of 4 retainers that you want to order. So right here where it says Add Extra Retainers, this is where you need to add 1 extra on each arch if you're ordering both the upper and lower arches. Click Next. Now you're just going to determine whether you want coverage and material, recession fill, and scan buttons. So because this is a retainer, we want full coverage, and I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And I'm going to repeat the same steps. As long as I don't want any extra digital fill, I can click Next. Or if there's any scan buttons, to notate so the team will know that those are buttons and need to be cut out. Click Next. And this is where you're going to determine what your shipping address is. So it's going to default to whatever address you have in the system, or you can certainly ship to an alternate address if needed. As a default, these retainers will be sent premium. And this is where you can choose what type of packaging you would like. If you have a custom logo uploaded, you can select to choose your custom logo or uLab standard packaging. Next, you're going to click on Review. Now you're going to review your order, and you'll notice retainers, you've got remaining bundle allotment is 0. So it shows you that we're ordering 4 retainers for the 4 retainer bundle. If everything looks correct, all you have to do is click on Place Order, and your order will be processed accordingly.